Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in Premiere Pro. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. Once you have your video clip on your timeline, click on it to select it. Head over to the Effect Controls panel. You'll notice a bunch of different settings appear in the panel. What you're looking for is under the Motion section. If it's collapsed, just click the small arrow next to it to expand the options. In the Motion section, you'll see Position, Scale, and Rotation. To rotate your video, you'll adjust the rotation value. You can either type in the exact angle you want, like 90 degrees to rotate it to the side, or you can click and drag the rotation value to the left or right until you get the angle you're after. If your video isn't perfectly straight or you want a custom rotation, dragging the rotation value gives you fine control. Just keep an eye on your preview window as you adjust it. You might notice some black bars appearing on the edges as you rotate. To fix this, you can use the scale setting to zoom in slightly and remove those bars. And that's it. Your video is now rotated. You can reset everything by clicking the Reset Parameter button if you need to start over. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.